Are you thinking of becoming an underwriter or working in the underwriting industry? Are you overwhelmed by the detailed process of assessing mortgage applications? Do terms like credit risk, debt to income ratios, and collateral review leave you scratching your head? Hi, I'm Joe Correa, President and CEO of Fannie Mortgage, and with over 18 years in the mortgage industry and hundreds of closed loans under my belt, I've seen it all. I understand how challenging mortgage underwriting can seem, especially if you're just starting out. That's why I created Mastering Mortgage Underwriting, a crash course for conventional loans. This course simplifies the entire process, giving you the skills and confidence to excel. In this course, you're going to learn how to evaluate borrower credit, income, and assets, how to review property appraisals and collateral, the step-by-step process for a loan approval, and specifically for conventional loans, key compliance requirements and risk mitigation strategies, real-world case studies to practice your skills. Plus, you're going to get downloadable checklists and templates to make your underwriting process faster and easier without having to depend on the lender or bank that you work with. By taking this course, you'll gain a thorough understanding of conventional loan underwriting, build the confidence to make sound and informed decisions as an underwriter, save time and improve accuracy in your work, position yourself for career advancement in the competitive mortgage industry. Whether you're an aspiring underwriter, a loan officer, a processor, or a real estate professional, this course will give you the tools to succeed. Remember, this is a crash course, so we're going to go pretty fast and cover a lot of topics, but you're going to get what you need to become an expert at mortgage underwriting. I'm so confident that this course is going to transform your understanding of the mortgage underwriting process that I'm giving a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not 100% certain if this is the course for you, no questions asked. If you're interested in learning about underwriting and becoming an underwriter, don't delay any longer in your career and taking it to the next level. Get started today learning the skills that you need to succeed in the mortgage industry. Click the button below to get started and enroll now, and I'll see you inside the course. Join thousands of professionals who've mastered mortgage underwriting. Enroll today. Your success starts here.